Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Friday, October 15th, 2021. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance in a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's announcements from Miss Linscomb. Teachers, please make sure you post attendance by 9 a.m. each day. Yesterday, all the teachers posted attendance. They did a great job. Students, we have a lot of students that are forgetting their masks. Remind your students, teachers, that they must bring their own masks as part of their school uniform. We do not have additional masks to give out to students. Teachers must also make sure the students are wearing them correctly. It's part of your uniform, students. You will bring that to school just like everything else you need for your school day. Today's late duty is Miss Barnes. Today's word of the day is less than. Less than is used to compare two numbers when the first number is smaller than the second number. So if we had 3 and 5, we would say 3 is less than 5. That amount is less than the second amount. Important dates: October 25th to 29th is the Book Fair and Red Ribbon Week. October 27th is PST and 5th grade Super Scholars. October 28th is Read for the Record. October 29th is a Feel Good Friday, and our fundraiser ends. November 3rd, we have the Sunnyside Theater play for pre-K through second grades, and we have some PD during extended PE. November 10th, we have Reading and Math PLTs. November 11th, we have No School for Veterans Day, and November 12th is World Kindness Day. We still have our Be a Champion and Read campaign going on, where you're reading your 6 books, taking a test, and bringing your form back signed. Those will go to Miss Smith in the library. Also in the library, we have our pumpkin character contest. We have some super cute pumpkins that have been brought back, and we're still getting more every single day. The last day to bring in your pumpkin is October 15th, which is today. We still have our coupon book fundraiser going on. Please make sure you are selling lots of coupon books, and you can win some great prizes. That's all for today's news. Have a fantastic Friday, Kate Shepherd.